Hi there, it's James at Auto Assets here. I'm just going to do a wee walk around video of this BMW X5 M50D. Now this model's got the 3 turbos, it's a 3 litre diesel engine. It's absolutely beautiful and it's even better to drive. Let's do a wee walk round. It's got the detachable tow bar, so just a wee simple button underneath would take that off and then you would never see it. It's also wired into the car, so the car knows when the trailer's connected, should you have a trailer or a caravan. Absolutely stunning. Parking sensors front and rear, headlight washers, it's got the reversing camera. I'll take you inside, electric tailgate as well, LED lights all round. And then when we go inside, you can see there's the seats. It's done about 68,000 miles. It's got the radar guided cruise control, so I'll just jump in and we'll go over some of the features that it's got. So I'll adjust the camera on the inside. So the good thing about this model is it's got the key. You need the key to open and lock the car, but once you're inside you can put the key either in your pocket or wherever, foot in the brake, and then she turns into life. We've got heated seats, electric memory seats, we've got the electric steering wheel, heated steering wheel. Up here you've got your radar guided cruise control. That's your lane keep assist, voice command. You've got different modes on the right, so if you want to change track or do different things you can do that. Your telephone button's just down here. Absolutely stunning car. Back seats are immaculate also. I don't think the previous owner even used the back seats. Aircon is super cold. Yeah, you've also got your F1 style gearbox up here. It is an 8-speed auto. You've got your automatic lights, electric windows all round, electric tailgate. Yeah, you've got your ambient lighting as well. So you can go into the different modes in the car and obviously choose what colour you want the ambient lights inside. The car's just recently been serviced. It's got absolutely everything. Cup holders down here, and then you've got some internal storage down here as well. So yeah, absolutely faultless machine. If you do have any questions in the car, please feel free to give us a phone. Thank you.